Hello friends, today I will share with you about how to protect yourself from stress. Stress-free living 9. Stress is a natural part of life, but knowing how to protect yourself from it is vital to maintaining your peace of mind. Whether it's dealing with hurtful words or stressful situations, these simple tips will help you stay calm and focused. To maintain your peace and reduce stress, it's important to follow a few simple steps to protect your peace and live a more stress-free life. Follow these simple steps. First, take deep breaths. When someone says something hurtful, your first reaction may be to quickly react or get upset. Dear friends, first always start by taking a deep breath. This simple act of deep breathing can make a huge difference. It helps you pause and calm yourself before you react. By taking a moment to breathe, you give yourself time to think clearly, which can prevent you from becoming more stressed or saying something you might later regret. Deep breathing relaxes your body, sending signals to your brain that everything is okay. This is a small step, but it is powerful in helping you stay calm in difficult situations. When something happens, you don't have to react right away. Take a deep breath, then exhale slowly to relax yourself. Second, focus on the positive. People often speak in anger and say things they don't really mean. It's important to remind yourself that these words don't always reflect their true feelings. People sometimes say harsh things when they are upset, but that doesn't mean they feel that way on the inside. Instead of focusing on the hurtful words, try to think about the positive aspects of your relationship with that person. Remind yourself of the good times and the kind things they have done. This helps you put the situation in perspective and reduces the stress their words cause. By focusing on the positive, you can protect your peace and keep your mind at peace. Third, let go. Holding on to hurtful words can cause more pain than the words themselves. When you keep thinking about what someone said in anger, it makes you feel even worse. Letting go of these words is essential for your peace of mind. Letting go does not mean you are ignoring what happened or pretending it did not hurt you. It means you are deciding not to let those words dominate your emotions. You are deciding to focus on what really matters, your peace and well-being. By letting go of negative thoughts, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and allow yourself to move on. It may not be easy at first, but with practice, you can learn to let go of things that don't serve your happiness. Instead of holding on to negativity, focus on what brings you happiness and calm. Number 4. Communicate. If hurtful words continue to haunt you, it may be time to have a calm and honest conversation with the person who said them. Many times, people don't realize the impact their words have on others. By expressing your feelings, you can clear the air and diffuse rising tensions. When you talk to the person, make sure you do so in a calm and respectful manner. Use I statements to share how you feel without blaming others. For example, instead of saying you hurt me, try saying I felt upset when you said that. This way, you share your feelings without making the other person feel blamed. Clear communication can often resolve misunderstandings and prevent future conflicts. It shows you care about the relationship and are willing to work through tough times together. Number 5. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is one of the best ways to protect your peace. When you are feeling stressed or upset, engage in activities that help you relax and feel positive. Self-care doesn't just mean treating yourself, it means doing what you need to do to stay emotionally balanced and healthy. Whether it's spending time with loved ones, enjoying a favorite hobby, or simply taking a walk in nature, self-care helps you recharge and stay grounded. It gives you the strength to deal with stressful situations without feeling overwhelmed. Make self-care a regular part of your routine and you will find it's easier to keep your peace even during tough times. Number 6. Forgive and move on. Forgiveness is a powerful tool to protect your peace. When you hold anger or resentment inside, it only causes more stress and keep you stuck in a negative mindset. Forgiving someone doesn't mean you are saying what they did was okay. It means you are choosing to let go of the negative feelings associated with the situation. By forgiving, you free yourself from the burden of carrying that stress. You allow yourself to move on and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Forgiving is not always easy, but it's worth it for the peace and calm it brings. When you forgive, you are not just helping the other person, you are helping yourself. Number 7. Focus on the present. It's easy to get stuck in the past, especially if someone's words hurt you. But thinking about the past increases your stress and anxiety. Instead, focus on the present moment. What's happening right now? What you can do to make this moment better? Focusing on the present helps you stay grounded and avoid getting lost in negative thoughts. Dear friends, remember that the past is past and the future has yet to arrive. Your strength is in the present moment. By staying present, you can lower stress and find peace. Number 8. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is another important step in protecting your peace. If someone is constantly saying things that hurt you, it's important to let them know what you will and will not tolerate. Boundaries help you avoid unnecessary stress and keep your relationships healthy. Setting boundaries doesn't mean you are being mean or shutting people out. It means you are taking care of yourself and making sure your needs are respected. Setting clear boundaries helps avoid misunderstandings and prevents hurtful words from being spoken. Number 9. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on your stress levels. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who energize you and make you feel good. Being around negativity can drain your energy and increase your stress. Choose to spend your time with people who bring out the best in you and encourage your growth. Positive relationships help you stay calm and happy even when life gets tough. They remind you that you are not alone and that there is always support when you need it. Number 10. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means being fully present in the moment without evaluating anything. It's about paying attention to what's happening inside and around you at the moment. Mindfulness helps you stay calm and handle stress even during tough times. When you are mindful, you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, giving you the power to choose how to respond instead of reacting immediately to stress. You can pause, breathe, and decide the best way to handle things. Mindfulness helps you stay in control of your emotions and maintain your calm. Protecting your peace is the key to living a stress-free life. Taking deep breaths, reminding yourself that hurtful words don't always reflect true feelings, and practicing forgiveness can help you stay calm and centered. Clear communication, self-care, and living in the present are powerful ways to reduce stress. Set boundaries, surround yourself with positivity, and practice mindfulness to keep your peace intact. I hope you found these tips on protecting your peace and coping with stressful helpful. Remember, small steps can make a big difference in maintaining your health. If you enjoyed this content and want more tips on stress management and self-care, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't miss my upcoming videos for more great tips. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Keep smiling, stay positive and enjoy every moment. Your path to greatness starts now. Thank you.